Are you trying to get Climate Pledge Friendly certified on Amazon, but don't know where to start? I will tell you what we know so far. My name is Kristen Lash, and I'm an account manager on My Amazon Guy. Let's jump in. Why does this matter? Let's share my screen here. This program or platform was developed to help customers discover and shop for more sustainable products for anybody who is has environmentally friendly or an eco-conscious mind. This is going to be the new way that they will be shopping. It's looking for a certification or noting that this product has a climate-friendly badge. In order to qualify, you can go through a third-party sustainability certification. There's multiple different certifications that are out there, and there's another page that I will share in a moment on where you can find those and what certifications your product might be eligible for. Additionally, Amazon has created their own certification called Compact by Design, in which you can get certified as well. And we have seen that as the most common certification that our clients and team members are seeing applied to products. So let's jump in there. The Climate Pledge Friendly badge will show on any products that are certified. You can see that on one of the landing pages for each type of certification. Here's the Compact by Design certification landing page. And all of these products have been deemed Compact by Design. You can see their Climate Pledge Friendly badge showing right here. And when you hover over the C1 certification, you can see which certification it has received right there. You can additionally see this badge on the actual product page right under where your title and reviews are. And if you scroll down, you will see that certification and Climate Pledge Friendly badge again right here above your product description or your A+ content. So you can see here is our badge. And here is the certification right here. If you apply for other certifications, those will be listed here as well. And that number right here will increase to as many as certifications that you have been deemed certified for. So you can see this is more information on what products are deemed to be Compact by Design and can gain that certification. From what we've seen so far, you can't apply for this certification. Amazon just awards it to products that are within their thresholds. You can see less packaging is one of the requirements. It might, we don't need that product to stand out on the shelf. We just need it to fit efficiently and in a small space. Less air in the container of that packaging, which means less packaging in general because it's a tighter fit around your product. Additionally, another option is a more efficient shape. This shape will allow you to deliver the same amount of product while minimizing your cubic inches. Less weight is another factor that they can look into. Two containers holding the same volume, but one with a lighter product packaging will make it more efficient to ship. Another one is waterless technology. So if you're selling any sort of liquid products, but you can turn that into a solid instead, that will help get you that certification. So if you're selling a liquid shampoo or soap, if you instead start selling a solid bar of soap or shampoo, that will give you that waterless technology one up to get that certification. This drastically decreases product size and weight. So that is how it, is part of that Climate Friendly Pledge badge here. And then another one is concentrated products. So if you have a cleaning solution that can be more concentrated, has less water that you can dilute, or your customer can dilute at home using water to, create more product with less packaging. That is another way to, get that certification. And here is how they qualify products for this Compact by Design certification. There's a unit efficiency that they're looking at. So this is calculated by cubed volume per unit by weight per unit. This metric shows how they calculate and the volume and weight utilization for a number of units in which a product delivers. And They will show you the thresholds for each category or product type on another page here, but here's that formula again to show that unit efficiency. The category thresholds over here, you can see there's different threshold values here. So if you meet that threshold value or you are under it, your product should be awarded that Climate Pledge Friendly badge. Now, there are other options for the third-party sustainability certifications that you can look at, and those are all on this landing page, Climate Pledge Friendly certifications. The Compact by Design certification is here as well, but all of these links will take you to the different third-party sites that will, give you step-by-step instructions on how to get certified there. So you will click on that product link or that site link, and you'll get more information on how you can get certified for those Climate Pledge Friendly certifications. All of these are accepted by Amazon. And it looks like not all of them have landing pages built to shop from. So those are coming soon, but you will start seeing the landing pages with links on these certifications once those are built out or they have more traction with products being enrolled on them. So that is what we know so far. It always looks good to go green, to have a Climate Pledge Friendly certification on your product. This is appealing to customers, who are looking for those types of products and making sure that they're making less of a carbon footprint on the earth. So feel free to jump in and ask questions in the comments, and thank you for watching.